Demoed the kitchen today. So this was like fridge area, sink was in the corner, dishwasher, stove, and then an island coming out this way, and then that was all cabinets all the way down to the corner. So basically what we're doing is we're taking this wall out here, we're opening this up to a certain point, and then this will all be cabinets in this section here. Pantry cabinet and then something there. This will all open up. So it'll be pantry, fridge, corner unit. We're moving the window over this way. Dishwasher's moving this way. And then it'll be stove. And then we're going to end up coming into here and finishing here. So all this plaster is going to go. I'm going to guess and say that there's no insulation in here either. So we're going to insulate that. That's for, and then actually all the base in this house throughout the main floor is going to go. In the living room here, we got that polyed off. We're going to do vinyl plank floor in the living room, hallway, and throughout into the kitchen area. And then all new cabinets. And then we'll take a walk upstairs, take a look at the bathroom, covered up the stairs with ram board, stair guard. So we walk into the bathroom, vanity. This bathroom is getting gutted completely. So we've taken the vanity out already. You can see this is on a platform. The tub's sunk in. This is all coming out. A bathtub is coming in where the shower is, going perpendicular to that. We're actually moving everything over into our closet. And that is, we'll close off the bedroom. And then that little piece there. And yep. Changing the window, this window in the bathroom, and then we'll redo all the electrical and everything in here. As you can see, there's like 8,000 switches for whatever reason. I have no idea. So yeah, it should be fun, and this will all be new ceramic, standalone tub, and then it will be a 36-inch shower. So, yeehaw! So. Still got a couple more days of demo, so keep plugging away, I guess. So update you soon. So we demoed the ceiling, a nice gaping hole up into the bathroom. As you can see, the plumbing's a nightmare in here. So the section of wall that's coming out between the dining room and the kitchen, we're gonna have to put in a beam. So we'll have to shore up the joists on both sides and drop in a 2x10 like a triple to carry the load. While we're up in the bathroom and starting the demo, this is the existing electrical. Yikes, I'm scared. I've never seen a 6-gang box before. Nothing stapled. That's not code. This is going to be a cleanup, but it'll get done right. And you can see it, I guess, a junction of some sort with electrical tape, or not electrical tape, painter's tape. Fantastic. So let's pan over to look at them. I've never seen a vent like that before. Oh my goodness. What a disaster. But that's why we do what we do, because we love it, and we'll make it right. No worries. I've never seen this before. This is just, I guess, the first time for everything. And again, that's why we do what we do, because we love it. And it's a head scratcher for sure, but at the end, it'll all be cleaned up nicely.